was this one? Yes, this was the idea, okay? And it may never happen, right? It's just an idea, just a thought. It makes sense though, because you've got that discernible swing low to high. You retraced 50%, you ran up 76%, you sold off about 78.6% of the way. That's really where we're pivoting right now, is a 78.6% retrace. We'll see if it's some sort of fib extension too. I mean, we could plot it, we don't have to. 161, yeah, look at the 1618 fib extension from B to C. That's where we have, like, we've been pivoting, we've been bouncing off the 1618 fib extension. Okay. So that's really what's happening. Yeah, it's like a 1618 and a near a 78% retrace. Let's see. Like perfect. Can't do it. All right, so 7/8. Look, you touched it like perfectly, pretty much, man. There it is. From your low to high, 78% retrace. Okay, so that's not typically the PCZ for this pattern because of the retrace being 50%. This would make sense if we had a Gartley, right? If we had a 62% retrace, then you would say 78% retrace, but that's just not the case. So, like, you're trying to follow the rules here and wait for the 886. And so we're just not quite there yet. So, like, you know, I'm talking about is, so like, there's, you know, I was talking to HMLSS, a patron, about this too, and it's like, you know, I was like, why did you choose that as your PCZ? Because he actually on XLM, look, there's something very similar on XLM. I guess we can look at in a minute, but he chose a 78% retrace PCZ, and it's like, why? Because we had a 50% retrace. So when you've got yourself a potential bat pattern, you know, your first run doesn't matter, right? X to A doesn't matter, but then you want to retrace between the 38% retrace, whatever, 38%, 38.2 to 50% and no more. You don't want to go further than a 50% retrace for your bat. And then you want to rally on up between a 38% retrace to a 62% retrace. No, 88.6% retrace. So you can go as high as this right here for your bat. Well, thanks for the super chat. Thanks, man. Dang it, I can't get it like perfect. So something like right there, 88.6. Okay, and then you'd sell off, and you'd sell off to the 88.6% retrace. That's your bat. Okay, and then you've got, and then right here from B to C, from your low to high anchor point to get your fib extensions, it's okay. It's acceptable between a 161.8% retrace and a 261.8% retrace. Okay, so this is completely fine for this pattern. All right, so that's your bat. And what's the difference between the bat and the Gartley? There's not too much of a difference here, so it's very easy how one could be confused. X to A doesn't really matter, right? You can go as high or low as you want. When you retrace, it has to be 62%. This is the signature. This is one of the signatures of the Gartley, the Bullish Gartley, compared to the Bullish bat. 618 retrace versus a 382 to 50% on the bat, right? Then you'd rally. And you'd rally between, just same thing as the bat, 38% to 88.6%. Whatever, trying to get it like perfect. I don't think I can. Yeah, it's like, oh my god, man. There, it's whatever. 88.6. Okay, so then you retrace 78% of the way, not 88.6% of the way. One fib node difference. Okay, one fib node could be different here and here. Here and here. These are what give you different discernibility between the two patterns, all right? Okay, so does everyone understand now? I want to put that to bed, that there's just differences in the two, even though they're extremely, I mean, they are all like, you know, means to an end, but dude, like when you retrace certain amounts, it can affect how deep you retrace on the D leg, okay? So, and that's about it, man, okay?